Hello friends, so on 31st I purchased this iPhone 11 Pro 64GB midnight green, and there was no good cover in the store, the iAstra store. I purchased this from Bangalore, and so I ordered this Spigen case, which is the Ultra Hybrid case. I purchased it in 1099 rupees and the MRP on the box is written as 1899. So I saved I think around 700 bucks, and we'll unbox it. And with this I purchased the tempered glass also. It is a pack of 2 with 9H hardness, you can see on the box, and you get alignment cover also. The MRP of this is written as 2899 and I got it in 800 rupees. So yeah, this is the one, and I'll drop the link in the description. So you can see it's a 2-pack, and we'll see what is there in the box, and we'll apply both of this. We'll see how it will look and how we are going to use this Align Master, the tempered glass. So let's go and do the unboxing.